86 ideas. Zero face, zero budget. In 2026, you don't need a camera, a mic, or even your voice to build a YouTube channel that earns. You just need the right idea, and I've got 86 of them right here. Before we dive, great automation niches must have high search demand, people are looking for it, evergreen or trending, not dead in 3 months, AI-friendly, script, voice, visuals can be AI-generated, monetizable, ads, affiliates, digital products. If it doesn't check these boxes, skip it. Money and finance. How to start investing with $10. Credit card hacks for Pakistan or India. Best apps to save money in 2026. AI and tech. Free AI tools that replace jobs. How to use ChatGPT for students. AI side hustles you can start today. Localized global news. Tech news explained Urdu or English. Saudi Arabia's Neom city updates. Pakistan's digital economy in 2026. Education and learning. Free certificates that get you hired. Best YouTube channels to learn coding. How to study with AI in 2026. Home and lifestyle. Smart home hacks under $50. Energy-saving tips for Pakistani homes. Minimalist living on a budget. Business and side hustles. Digital products selling like crazy. How to sell on Etsy from Pakistan. Dropshipping 2026. What actually works? Health and wellness, non-medical. Morning routines of successful people. Free mental health apps 2026. Yoga for beginners, no equipment. Gaming, Faceless. Best free mobile games 2026. Gaming news recap weekly. How game studios use AI. Data and facts. Countries with highest internet speed. World's richest YouTubers 2026. AI statistics that will shock you. AI-generated content. AI-generated motivational stories. Historical events recreated by AI. Futuristic cities designed by AI. Final batch. How to build a faceless YouTube channel. Free tools to automate YouTube in 2026. Why 2026 is the best year to start. Don't just pick any idea, validate it. Go to Google Trends, is interest rising? Search YouTube, are top videos getting 10K plus views? Check vidIQ or TubeBuddy, is CTR above 5%? If yes, that's your winner. So, pick one idea, use AI to script it, edit with CapCut, upload. Your first video doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to exist. Like this if you're starting in 2026. Comment #86 below and I'll send you the full list as a PDF. Subscribe to BigShowInfo, where ideas become income. Because in 2026, the future belongs to the builders, not the watchers.